In the name of Allah, the most merciful, keep the talisman, the blessing of the provision. What kind of provision did Allah give to the Quraysh? The video is being presented to you in full detail, but before presenting the video, you should know very well that every loved one, at least one person, big or small, should recite Surat Quraysh 101 times daily for sustenance, especially those mothers and sisters who are worried about their husbands, their parents, because there is no sustenance, those daughters sitting in our homes. Read it 101 times inshallah by the command of the Lord. The husband, the brother and the father will be provided with sustenance from a good place, and you will also be rich. And this amulet that is in front of your screen should be photocopied, and the friends who are working should tie it on their arm and copy a large picture on the top of the page and put it in a room of the house, God willing. When you recite Surah Quraysh 101 times, after reciting it, you should blow on the naqsh that is tied on your arm or installed in your house, God willing. Will open for you. According to him, what is Wurat al-Karish? It has 1 ruku, 4 verses, Bedar are open and better letters. Allah's blessings are innumerable. One of them is that He made the Quraysh to go on 2 journeys every year and love them. A journey to Yemen in the winter season and a trip to Yemen in the summer season. The Quraysh of Syria used to travel during these seasons for trade, and people everywhere called them Ahl al-Haram and respected them. They trade in peace and reap benefits, and we bring them capital to settle in Mecca, where there is no farming and no means of livelihood. This blessing of Allah is evident and they benefit from it. Wale means those of Kaaba Sharifa who were suffering due to the lack of cultivation in their homeland before these journeys. In the areas of killings and vandalism are taking place, caravans are being attacked, travelers are being killed, or it means that He gave them peace from leprosy, that they will never have a Majid Umar in their city, or it means that Sayyid Alam Muhammad Mustafa, peace be upon him, with the blessing of peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, he was granted peace from great fear.